Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This video is featuring some hair from a company called Nadula. This company is pretty popular on YouTube if you do your research on hair. But so they sent me 3 20-inch bundles of Peruvian hair as well as an 18-inch closure. When I got this hair, I wanted to try to get all the same length, because usually whenever I get hair, I get like 18, 20, 22. Like I try to do like a layer type of look, but with this hair specifically, I wanted to actually try to get all one length, and that is exactly what I did. And this is how the hair looks before I washed it. The curls are so beautiful and the hair is just so soft. It's really easy for you to like run your fingers through it, and the hair didn't have like a weird smell. And this is something I'll always talk about, because I don't like when hair have a weird smell. Like I would not wear it. But this is what the bundles look like, very full, and yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nisha, aka Future Colas, and I'm back with another video. And I know you're probably wondering, like, girl, did you straighten your hair? Like, how'd your hair grow so quick? You see, the gag is, this is not my hair. Well, this is my hair, but it's not my hair, if you know what I mean. Because they say when you own bundles, like technically it is your hair. So technically this is my hair. Hair is from a company called Nadula on AliExpress. They reached out to me and sent me some bundles. Yes, these are this is bundles that I have sewed in right now. And again, I didn't make my wig. My friend Monique made some for me, because I honestly, like, I can't, like, I don't have the patience. I'm being dead honest with you guys. I don't have the patience to do this type of stuff. And my friend is a hairdresser, so you know, she hooks your girl up and she lays and slays my hair as per usual. Jump right into this video and I'm gonna tell you about this wig. First off, as in my previous videos, the number one thing I love about this hair is that it's so natural looking. Like, it looks like my natural hair. Like, literally, if you guys see me on the road, you guys would think this is my hair, to how natural it looks. I received 3 bundles and a closure. The closure was 18-inch and then the bundles were 20-inch. Another thing that I loved about this hair is that it's very full. Like, from the roots to the ends, it's very full. It's not thin. It's very soft as well. So when I got the hair, I washed it, and this is actually the results from me washing it. I just left it to kind of like air dry, and it gave me like this beachy type of vibes. Like, I feel like I have like this beachy, wavy look going on. I literally didn't do anything. I washed it, and look, even like me running my fingers through it, it's still soft. I didn't do anything. It just basically air dried overnight, and then this was the final look that I got. So I forgot to mention earlier before that this hair is Peruvian. I'm gonna insert some clips so you guys can see how the bundles looked before I washed it. There's no shedding. It's like literally, well, the only shedding that I've seen from the hair is from when we plucked it. But other than that, even when we were washing it, we tested the hair to see how the shedding was, and it was minimal shedding, which is a good thing. Again, I would really have to see if this hair is good. Maybe after 2 weeks, that's when I'll go back in to see how this hair is doing. And I know some of you guys messaged me on my previous videos saying how you want to see an update on the hair that I'm featuring in my video. So that is something that I'm going to be doing as well, because I guess it makes sense. You guys would want to see how the hair is looking after 2 weeks to see if it's worth it to buy it or not. So just bear with me. This is something new to me. This is definitely something that I would wear in Jamaica. Again, this is a protective style for me. I know you're probably saying, like, my natural hair is already long, like, why am I wearing wigs? But I'm on a natural hair journey, and I don't like applying heat to my hair because I'm trying to run away from that heat damage. So that's the reason why I would choose to wear wigs, just as a protective style to protect my hair, especially during the summer, like the winter time, or days when I feel like I want a different look, or I want to switch up my look. Because being a naturalista, like, you always want to switch up your looks. So I get tired of my natural curly hair, and then I get lazy to straighten my hair to give me a new look. So why not just have a wig and just throw it on? Right, yeah. So all the details about this hair will be in the description box down below. Just make sure you check it out to get all the full details and the website about this hair. And again, if you're in the Toronto district, make sure you check out the description box, because my friend Monique's information will be listed as well if you want to hit her up for some hairdos or some hairstyles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of me just showing you this beautiful Peruvian hair from Nadula. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.